5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 80, care crest, turn square left, don't cut. 200 through depth. Turn hairpin right, don't cut. 350 over small crests. Caution, turn left 2 over crest, don't cut. Into turn square left. 400. Keep right. And left 6 long through depth. Caution right 5 long. Immediate turn square left, don't cut. And turn square left, don't cut. 80. Pass junction. 300. Care, keep left over small crest. Turn left 4 and turn acute right, don't cut. Turn square left, don't cut. Into turn hairpin right, don't cut. Into turn square right, tightens. Into square left. Into turn left 5, opens, 100. Through dip. Past junction, 100. Caution, keep right over crest, immediate turn square left. Into turn square left, 100 crest. Turn hairpin right, don't cut, 100. Turn hairpin left, up, 80. Crest, past junction 100. Past junctions. Care jump maybe. Left 6. And right 5 through depth. Keep left over small crest 80. Turn right 4. And turn left 4, don't cut, 80. Double caution right 5. Immediate turn left 3 over bump deceptive. And turn open hairpin left. Don't cut. 200. Crest 80. Caution turn right 4. Immediate turn acute right, don't cut. 100. Keep left over crest, 100.